finally started, like, because at this point, like, I really wanted to fuck his world up because he'd been damaging my name or saying shit.
Right.
And so I got her, like, super fired up. And it's crazy. If you get on Facebook and you go to, like, Lamar Wilson or Kendrick Wilson, like, dude, he used to, like, he'd FaceTime, like, all this shit. Like, the police coming over. Anyway, like, I got her to send... I finally, like, I kept fucking with her head and was telling her, like, look, every day he gets on Facebook Live when everybody knows you gave him a jail sentence. I was like, people are just losing respect for you.
You talking about the judge?
So, yeah.
Okay.
So she finally, dude, she sends, like, she calls in every favor she has. She sends out the Louisville Police, Bullitt County Police, ATF, fucking FBI, like, over, like, 100 cars, and they like got his place surrounded with guns.
Wow.
So they take him into custody or whatever. So I used to just do Jefferson County cases, but Bullitt County ended up hiring a few prosecutors that I had hookups with and appointed a judge that I knew. So I started going, and Bullitt County's not that much further, to drive.
Yeah.
So I started going to Bullitt County for cases too. Became friends with the Commonwealth attorney out there. Good guy named Bailey Taylor. So this Kendrick's been in custody, and he's a fucking nut. Like, he's lost his mind. Like, he's like, since he's been in custody, just so you know, like, so Judge Rodney Burris, who's a circuit court judge, gave him like on different cases, gave him 2 years for contempt of court. Now, keep in mind, he had like four felony cases pending that hadn't even started yet. He's still doing contempt of court time right now.
Yeah.
And so then, here's the part I didn't tell you when I said a judge can do what they want. Dude, he came out one day all crazy, and it's on fucking, like, you could find it. He fucking spit at the judge. So judge added another year for contempt and another felony charge.
Damn.
Then he got in a fight with one of the sheriffs trying to bring him out, and he ended up punching one of them. So he got another 6 months for contempt of court.
Damn. What did he get? What did he get arrested for initially?
So he likes to put his hands on girls.
Oh.
And they were scared to come forward. And this is the point where I was like, dude, I was bored. It was during COVID. I was getting unemployment. Plus Trump was adding that money every week to the unemployment. So, I was literally just, spending, hours just trying to ruin his life. So I keep up with it, obviously, and the prosecutor, we've become friends. The guy who's the elected Bullitt County Commonwealth attorney. He told me that right now, Kendrick has done maybe a year and a half, that he has close to 4 years of contempt, and they haven't even started. He's picked up, since he's been in custody. Normally I tell my clients, if you can suck it up, stay in custody as long as you can, and I'll get you a better deal. Because I know you're not going to get in trouble in custody. Dude, he's picked up four new cases since he's been in custody.
Damn.
For fighting, for spitting at the judge, for calling he's such an idiot. Every call from the jail gets recorded. He's trying to be smooth and call these girls and trying to get them not to show up to court. So I guess I wanted to clarify to you that Now this is the longest. Somebody told me that the longest sentence. My dad said the longest sentence contempt he's ever seen in Kentucky in his time is 7 years.
What?
7 years. Now keep in mind, Kendrick, every time they bring him out to court, like, dude, he does shit like he calls the judge like a Klansman. Like, he's been through like 40 attorneys. And now they're to the point where he's been through every public defender in Bullitt County, and he's not competent enough on his own, so the judge says he has to have a shadow counsel. So they got him an appointed attorney now. But anyway, my point was, dude, a judge can give you as much contempt time as they want. It depends, but usually, like in the past, like my clients are a lot different. You know, my clients, anytime they've had contempt, it's been like,
it's not because
it's not
it's not
stuff
stuff done in court like spit